Hello, I'm Meet Patel and welcome to Coding with Meet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new ASP.NET web application project in Visual Studio 2019. So open the Visual Studio 2019 and click on Create a new project. In the search bar, type ASP.NET and select ASP.NET Web Application with .NET Framework and C#, and then click on the Next button. You can assign a name to your web application project under the project name. You can also select the location where you want to save your project. After you are done with this, click on the Create button. Select Empty and again click on the Create button. After few seconds, your project will be loaded. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.